are the pambansang Ginoo already. Nasa point ka na ba na talagang putok ka na din mismo in terms of how your career wanted to go forward? Or nandun pa rin yung, sige, I'll leave it with my managers and all. Pero ngayon ba, ikaw ba mas dapat super duper involved?
When I started out, yung showbiz, akala ko parang feeling ko, wala ka pang say sa mga ginagawa mo. But now, at this point of my career, like everything that I do, dapat may intention, dapat intentional. So, parang lahat parang what I try to do is, naglalagay lang ako ng goal. For example, sa showbiz, to be like this. And then, ilalagay ko dun kung how. And then, mag-brainstorm ako kung paano ko siya ma-reach yung goal na yun. Tapos then, kakausapin ko yung manager ko, si Miss John. And sabihin ko sa kanya na ito yung mga gusto kong ma-achieve. Ito yung gusto kong show. And then, tingnan nila kung kaya, di ba? So, yeah, to answer your question now, medyo mas involved talaga ako. And again, mas intentional. And at this point, kasi parang mahal ko na yung ginagawa ko, yung showbiz. Hindi na siya gaya ng dati na basketball lang nasa utak ko dati, di ba? So,
and yung second question ko is, for something like this na hindi mo in-expect, do you feel that overwhelming feeling, and how do you deal with it?
I feel like in first 2 years, since Maria Clara Nibarra was super overwhelming. To the point na minsan ayoko na lumabas. But ngayon, I think I just try to take it day by day. It's as long as my system is intact as a person, I feel like I can do everything, di ba? Na parang just to try to stay in the moment. Kasi paminsan, may mga thoughts, mga negative thoughts papasok sa utak natin. So tinatry ko lang na to really stay in the moment, and then yung morning routine ko always intact, workout, meditation and stuff. Pag nagawa ko yun, I feel like hindi ako nasi-stress. For example, sa ganitong interviews, before kinakabahan ako. Pero ngayon hindi na. Bakit? Kasi maayos yung sistema ko as a person, di ba? And I feel like everybody can do that also. And yeah.
And yung last na lang is, when is the best day for you to eat taho store?
Ano ba yung tanong mo? Best time. Best time for happiness.
Actually, kailan masarap magtaho, di ba?
Siguro sa umaga. Umaga, oo.
Anong oras?
Mga 6:30.
Thank you. Ay, congrats, Dave.
Thank you.